So Adhyatana Panchangam Sharvarjinama Samvatsare Uttarayaणे Shishir Ritau Phalguna Mase as per Amanta, otherwise Chaitra Masa as per Purnimanta. Krishna Pakshe Chaturdashi Tithihi till 27-23, that means 3:23 tomorrow morning. Stiravasaraha Uttara Bhadrapada Nakshatram till 10:28 p.m. followed by Revati Nakshatram. Indra Yoga till 27, that means 3:23 a.m. followed by Vaidhritihi Yoga. Vishtikaranam till 6:42 a.m. I think already over, followed by Shakunihi till 7:33 p.m. followed by Chatushpadaha. So we completed 15th Sarga last week, where all gods have come. They were discussing among themselves and especially complaining with Brahma that, you gave this vara to him, and so this fellow is troubling us, torturing us, and do something. And as he was thinking, Vishnu appeared, and they all Brahmanam Puraskritya, by keeping Brahma in front of them, they have prayed to Vishnu. And in fact, they say, Niyojayamaha. They have, in a way, nominated or appointed Vishnu for this task of, killing Ravana. And finally, how do we kill that? And Brahma said, hey, I remember now, that fellow ignored human race. And so let's ask Vishnu to take that form as a human being so that Ravana can be killed. Now there is no one is violating my promise made to Ravana, and everything is, both sides it is taken care of. My boon is also honored, and your wish of getting rid of Ravana is also taken care of. So that is the plan made in the 15th Sarga. Let us continue from the 16th Sarga. Atha Shodasha Sargaha Tato Narayano Vishnuhu Niyuktas Surasattamaihi Janannapi Suranevam Slakshnam Vachanam Abravit. So Tataha means after that event, Vishnuhu Narayanaha Surasattamaihi Niyuktaha, by the best of the gods, Suras, by the best of the Suras, he is Niyuktaha, he is appointed. Who? Vishnuhu and Narayanaha. Vishnu, means Vyapakaha, Vyapakatvat Vishnuhu, one who is spread everywhere, omnipresent, is Vishnuhu. Narayanaha, Narasya Ayanaha. And so because he is going to now take the human form, so he is referred to here as Narayanaha, because Narasya Ayanam Yaha Saha Narayanaha. The path to tread towards him is for humans is Narayanaha. So by Surasattamaha, this Narayanaha Vishnu is appointed. Janannapi, knowing very well. Janati, knows. Janan, knowing, continuous tense. Janan api, even though he knows, even though he is knowing. Suran, unto the gods. Evam, like thus. Slakshnam, a beautiful. Vachanam abravit, he said this beautiful sentence. He knows the answer, but he has said it. And that shows our Karyapaddhati. Karyavaha knows it, what he wants to do. Dr. G knew what he wants to do, even the name of the Sangha. But he consulted everyone. Let people present their ideas. Let them together, he will be guiding them to come up with the correct, or come up with the consensus. Right? So that is our Karyapaddhati. And that comes from Sakshat Bhagavan Vishnu. So, Janan Napi, that is the most important point here. Even though he knows what to do, still you have to ask gods and let them tell, so that it will be a collective opinion. Everybody will own that big task. So it's a beautiful strategy that we also apply as our Karya Paddhati. Upayah ko vadhetasya.
Upayah ko vadetasya.
Tasya.
Tasya.
Rakshasadhipate surah.
Rakshasadhipate sura.
Yamaham tam samasthaya.
Yamaham tam samasthaya.
Nihanyam rishikantakam.
Nihanyam rishikantakam.
So he's asking, what was the Vachanam Abravit? He was saying, Upayah kaha. What is the idea? What is the solution? How do I kill him? What is the solution? What do you recommend? Upayah suraha. Oh, all gods. Suraha. Kaha upayah. What is the solution? For what? Tasya rakshasadhipatehe vadhe. In the a solution towards the killing of that Rakshasadhipatihi, the head of all Rakshasas. Rakshasadhipatehe tasya vadhe suraha kaha upayah. What is the solution? Yam aham samasthaya tam nihanyam rishikantakam. So by holding on to which solution? Yam is by which, onto which upayah, yam upayam samasthaya, by holding on to or by standing on which solution, by sticking to which solution will I be able to nihanyam, may I be able to kill him? Kill whom? Tam rishikantakam, that thorn of rishis, which means that guy who is a pain always to rishis. And this is also another important adjective here. When he says rishikantakam, let's say, as you see, right, Narayanaha, clues are coming through these adjectives that are being applied in each of these sloka. Narayanaha is used. He could have said Murari, Madhusudanaha, 1,000 names are there. But Narayanaha, because he's going to take Narasya Janma. Second one is Rishikantakam. If you see the entire Ramayanam going forward, right? And we already read that in Balasarga also. Rama is a fan of Rishis, and all Rishis are Rama's fan. Rama works under the guidance of Rishis to protect the Rishis. So Rishikantakam, that is the most important clue here. Because the entire Rama Avataram is about working with, by the guidance of Rishis. So Rishikantakam tam katham upayah kaha tam vadhe Rishikantakam yamaham samasthaya tam Rishikantakam nihanyam. Hanmi is kill, nihanyam. How may I kill him? What is the solution? He is asking, addressing all the gods. Eva mukta sura sarve.
Eva mukta sura sarve.
Pratyuchur vishnum
avyayam.
Manushim tanumasthaya. Ravanam jahi samyuge. So then, eva muktaha, thus asked suraha, gods, all the gods thus asked by Vishnu, sarve, pratyuchuhu, all of them replied, prati uchuhu, uktavantaha, they all have replied, unto whom? Vishnu. What kind of Vishnu? Avyayam, another important adjective here, because in the next sort of mathematics that will come in this sarga, of how Dasharatha distributes the payasam, and then there are some vyakhyanams where they talk about, oh, he's of this much proportion, the other one is this much proportion, quarter, 1/8, whatever numbers, right? And that is all literally might seem obvious. But the point to remember here is he is avyayam. Avyayam is infinite in a way. Avyayam, unexpensible or indispensable. You cannot, even if you remove it, you cannot reduce him. He is always full. Avyayam. Avyayam pratyuchu. Avyayam prati. Avyayam Vishnum prati uchuhu. What did they say? Manushim tanum asthaya. He asked, Yamaham samasthaya tam nihanyam. So in reply they said, Manushim tanum asthaya. Asthaya, by taking over, by taking up. Manushim tanum, the body of a human being. By taking up the body of a human being, Ravanam samyuge jahi. Kill Ravana in the war. Samyuga is war. Sahitepe tapastivram. Dirghakalamarindamam.
दीर्घकालमरिन्दमम्
Yena tushto bhavad brahma.
येन तुष्टो भवद्ब्रह्मा
Lokakrullokapurvajah.
लोककृल्लोकपूर्वजः.
So they are also telling him what kind of a guy he is. Saha tepe tapaha. Tepe, tapaha tepe. He performed the tapas. What kind of tapas? Tivram, very intense tapas he did. And Dirghakalam. Dirghakalam is for a long time. He did an intense, long duration tapas that Ravana did. Arindama, one who gets rid of the enemies, O Vishnu. Yena, by which, by having performed all that tapas, by which Tushtaha abhavat Brahma. Brahma got pleased. Tushtaha, santoshaha, tushtaha, pleased. He got pleased. Brahma got pleased. What kind of Brahma? Lokakrit, lokapurvajaha. The creator of the lokas, and lokapurvajaha, one who is before all the lokas, one who is born before all the lokas, and the creator of the lokas. So lokakril lokapurvajaha Brahma yena dirghakalika tivra tapasa tushtaha abhavat. That is the sentence there. So santushtah pradadau tasmai.
सन्तुष्टः प्रतुतो तस्मै
Rakshasaya varam prabhuhu.
राक्षसाय वनं प्रभुः
Varam prabhuhu.
वरं प्रभुः
Nana videbhyo bhutebhyo.
नानाविधेभ्यो भूतेभ्यो
Bhayam nanyatra manushat.
भयं न्यायन्त्रमानुषात्
Bhayam nanyatra.
भयं नान्यत्र मानुषात्
Avajñātah puratena.
अवज्ञाता पुरातेन
Varadanehi manavaha.
वरदाने हि मानवाः.
So santushtaha, again, very happily pleased Brahma. Pradadau, he gave. Tasmai, Rakshasaya, unto that Rakshasa. What did he give? Varam. He gave a varam. Prabhuhu Brahma, santushtaha, tasmai Rakshasaya, varam pradadau. He gave the varam. What kind of varam is it? Nana videbhyo bhutebhyo bhayam na. So there is no fear for Ravana from nana videbhyo bhutebhyo, from several kinds of species, from several kinds of beings, that he will not have any fear. That means nobody will ever dare go against him. Nana videbhyo bhutebhyo bhayam na. Anyatra manushat. However, from manushat he didn't mention. Atra manushat na. Anya nana videbhyaha bhutebhyaha bhayam varam he obtained. Why? Because avajñātāha pura. Because before he, all the human beings were avajñātāha. We already read last time. Avajñātāha means avamanitaha, insulted, or belittled. The humans were belittled by him. Tena varadanihi manavaha. By that, in that boon, all the humans were sort of belittled or ignored. So you can take that form. That is what they are telling him. Evam pitamaha tasmat
एवं पितामहः तस्मात्
varam prapya sadarpitah
वरं प्राप्य सदर्पितः
उत्सादयति लोकान् स्त्रीन्
उत्सादयति लोकात् स्त्रीन्
स्त्रियश्चाप्यवकर्ष्यति
स्त्रिय चाप्यवकर्षति
तस्मात् तस्य वधो दृष्टो
तस्मात् तस्य वधो दृष्टो
मानुषेभ्यः परन्तप. So evam pitamahat tasmat varam prapya, thus having obtained the vara from the pitamaha, who is the Brahma, saha darpitaha, bahut darpa is arrogance. Arrogant is darpitaha. That arrogant fellow, utsadayati, we also saw in the previous chapter, in the previous sarga, as udvijati. Here utsadayati, same meaning. See the sadhana, we say, so utsadanam is he troubles or tortures. Lokan treen lokan api utsadayati, he tortures all the three worlds. And striyascha avakarshati, he abducts the woman, striyaha. Any beautiful woman anywhere he looks at, he abducts them, takes away. If she pleases, very good. Otherwise, kidnap and go against her wishes. Striyascha avakarshati. Tasmat, hence, tasya vadaha, parantapa, O parantapa, tasya vadaha, manushebhyaha drishtaha. Drishtaha. So we discovered, we could find, we could see the solution through the human being race. Ityetadvachanam shrutva
इत्येतद्वचनं श्रुत्वा
Suranam Vishnuratmavan
सुरावान् विष्णुरात्मवान्
Pitaram Rochayamasa
पितरं रोचयामास
Tada Dasharatham Rupam.
तथा दशरथं नृपम्.
So Ityetad Vachanam Shrutva, having heard that statements or that instructions of the gods or that ideas from gods, Vishnuhu Atmavan, one who is within himself, one who knows himself, Atmavan Vishnuhu, tada, then Dasharatham Pitaram Dasharatham Rupam Rochayamasa. Ruchim Kritavan is Rochayamasa. That means one who pleased the taste. Which means one who made him happy. One who made him happy. So Vishnuhu Atmavan tada, then Dasharatham Rupam Pitaram Rochayamasa. He pleased the king Dasharatha by making him the father. Pitaram. He made him the father now. So far he is not a father. He has been a king, he has been everything but the father. And now he pleased him by making him the father, or by having decided to make him father. Sachapya putro nrupatihi tasmin kale mahadyutihi ayajat putriyamishtim putrepsurarisudanah. Sacha api aputraha. Dasharatha was aputra, one who didn't have yasya putraha nasanti saha aputraha. So one who does not have children is aputraha. So aputraha Dasharataha saha api Nrupatihi, that king Dasharatha, tasmin kale, in that moment, at that moment, Mahadyutihi, suddenly he glowed with a lot of jubilance in him, with lot of brightness in him. Mahadyutihi ayajat, means yajati ayajat. He did the yajna. Putriyam ishtim. One that yajna which gives putra is called putriya. So putriyam ishtim. Putrepsuhu. One ipsa is one ichhati. Yaha ichhati, saha ipsuhu. Putrepsuhu. One with the desire of having children. So putrepsuhu. Arisudanaha. That is used even for Dasharatha here. The one who kills enemies, killer of enemies, Dasharatha, Mahadyatihi, he just completed the yajna by this time, when all gods and all were discussing, planning what to do, etc. By that time, he has ayajat, he has completed the yajna. Sakritva nischayam Vishnuhu.
सकृत्वा निश्चयं विष्णुः
Amantriya cha pitamaham.
आमन्त्र्य च पितामहम्
Antardhanam gato devaihi.
अन्तर्धानं गतो देवैः
Ujyamano maharshibhihi.
पूज्यमानो महर्षिभिः
Saha Vishnuhu nischayam kritva. By made the decision, nischay karke. Saha Vishnuhu nischayam kritva. Pitamaham cha amantriya, means having invited Pitamaha also, which means having, ajna leta hu, as we say, right? So that is amantriya. By inviting Pitamaha, which means आइए निकले चलेंगे ऐसा. So आइए चलेंगे is amantriya. Pitamaham cha amantriya maharshibhihi devaihi pujyamanaha. One who is worshipped or worshipable, or one who is always being worshipped by Maharshis and Devas. By all gods and Maharshis, one who is always being worshipped, having taken permission from, or having invited Pitamaha also, Antardhanam gataha. He went to disappear, which means as he appeared, so did he disappear. Because he is there everywhere. There is nothing for him to go anywhere. He'll appear and or disappear. That's all. A very important aspect to learn for us about Avatara or Pratyaksha. He's always there. He just manifests there that moment. He appears that moment. Tato vai yajamanasya
ततो यजमानस्य
pavakadatulam prabham apavakadatulam prabham
पावकादतुपलप्रभम्
pradurbhutam mahadbhutam
प्रादुर्भूतं महद्भूतं
mahaviryam mahabalam
महावीर्यं महाबलं
krishna raktambaradharam
कृष्णरक्ताम्बरधरं
raktaksham dundubhiswanam
रक्ताक्षं दुन्दुभिस्वनं
snigdhaharyakshatanujah
स्निग्धहर्यक्षतनुजः
smashru pravaramurdhajam
स्मक्षुप्रवरमूर्जजं
shubhalakshana sampannam
शुभलक्षणसम्पन्नं
divyabharana bhushitam
दिव्याभरणभूषितं
shailashringa samatsedham
शैलशृङ्गसमत्सेधं
drupta shardula vikramam
शार्दूलविक्रमं
divakara samakaram
दिवाकरसमाकारं
दीप्तानलशिखोपमम्
दीप्तानलशिखोपमं
तप्तजाम्बूनदमयीम्
तप्तजाम्बूनदमयीं
राजतान्तपरिच्छदाम्
राजतान्तपरिच्यतां
दिव्यपायससम्पूर्णाम्
दिव्यपायससम्पूर्णां
Patrim patnimiva priyam
पात्रीं पत्नीमिव प्रियाम्
pragrihya vipulam daurbhyam
प्रगृह्य विपुलां दौर्भ्य
swayam mayamayi mayi iva.
स्वयं मायामयीमिव.
Hmm. So you got the opportunity advantage to read 5 shlokas and all. What is it? What is all of these 5 shlokas? Did you all understand what is going on here?
Basically, it tells how they are distributing in watch. Latakshadundubhiswanam.
So it is not distributing. This is all description. If you see, every word is is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti is the karma. So the Priyam Pragrihya Vipulam Dobhyam. Pragrihya, he appeared. Who appeared is being described. He who is Tataha Vai Yajamanasya. Yajamanaha, who is the Yajaman? Yajaman is one who does the yajna, is Yajaman, who is Dasharatha. Yajamanasya of the Dasharatha, or of the Dasharatha's Pavakat, from the Pavaka is fire. Pavanam karoti Pavakaha. Fire, purifies several things. Gold is also purified in fire. Any ahuti we give it through fire because it purifies from all the doshas that we may have made in cooking and offers the essence, the sara, to gods. So the another name for Agni is Pavaka.
Bhogaji, Srivasthaji is waiting in the lobby.
We have to, with one monitor, this is the problem always. Sorry. So Pavakat. From the fire of the Yajamana, Tataha, after that, what appeared? Atula Prabham. Prabha is glow, right? Bha is light or glow. Prabha, Prakushta Prabha. Atula Prabha, unmeasurable, immeasurable glow. You cannot say 1,000 lumens or 10,000 lumens. Atula Prabham. Atula Prabham Pradurbhutam. It Udbhutaha, which means it born. It just born. Mahadbhutam, the biggest of the or the highest volume of light. Mahadbhutam. Mahaviryam sounds like very valorous, meaning that light is so glowing that nobody can even look at it. If anybody looks at it, it gets killed. Essentially means that much of glow. Mahaviryam, Mahabalam, very, very strong. Krishna Raktambara Dharam. Please ask Bhogaji to let me in from phone. How do I let him in? I don't see anyone waiting here. Srinji, are you in?
I think he was in a different device earlier. He had 2 devices. Yeah.
What do I do now? I don't see. Normally, if there is anybody waiting, I see a prompt here. Then I can go and accept. But I don't see him.
Do you see
Srinji, can you try one more time? Just text.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll ask him.
Text to log in one more time. So, Mahabalam, Krishna Raktambara Dharam. So, what kind of a dress did he wear? Krishna Rakta, a black and red dress. Maybe red border on a black dress or black border on a red dhoti. Ambara is dress. Dharam, one who wore a red and black dress. Raktaksham, red eyes. One who appears from fire, how else will he be? Raktaksham, red eyes. Dundubhiswanam, the voice was like Dundubi, dun, 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 means very bass voice. Oh, kaise ho. If you dramatize with somebody with a bass voice, Dundubhiswanam, Dum, dum, dum. It's a voice. Snigdha Hari. Snigdha Hari Aksha. And not only was it red, Snigdha Haryaksha. Snigdha is very friendly. Hari Aksha. Hari Aksha Tanuja Smashru Pravara Murdhajam. So several more parts are being described here, which are like Snigdha Hari. Snigdha Hari is lion. Hari is lion, Hari is sometimes monkey, Hari is Vishnu, which is why Hari is everything. We say it. He is everything. And so you can, based on the situation, you can use it to mean any other being or object also. So here it is lion. Hari Aksha, lion kind of eyes. Tanuja is one which comes out of Tanu. One which comes out of body is what? Hairs everywhere. So Tanuja is also hairs. So Hari Aksha, lion eyes. Hari Tanuja means lion kind of hairs, all the fur around. And Hari Smashru. Smashru is the mustache and the beard. They like lion kind of beard and all. Hari Smashru. Murdhajam. Murdhaja is hairs. Murdha is a top. Jayate. One which is born on the top. So Tanuja is hairs on the rest of the body. Smashru is this area. Murdhaja is hairs here. Do we have names like that in English? At the most we say facial hair. Body hair. But there is not so many names. But we know where that comes out of. Accordingly a name is given. Tanuja, Smashru, Murdhaja.
So Tanuja means hair, one with hair, or one part of the hair, one part of the hair on one part of the body.
So Tanuna Jayate. So one which is born out of body. So sometimes there is sun is also Tanuja. Tanuja is also sun. Right? Tanuja, the name of is the daughter of who? Of whoever. But here it is one which is born from the body is also the hairs. So bodily hair is a Tanuja. What kind of Tanuja? Hari, Snigdha Hari Tanuja. That of a very wet lion, which means with all drooling and fearful lion. That means from fire came that Rupa, which is a very unimaginable Rupa before. That is essentially what he's trying to describe. At the same time, don't think he's a torturous thing or horror thing or anything. Shubha Lakshana Sampannam. One with Shubha Lakshana. One whose wealth is Shubha Lakshanas. All the good qualities. All the good qualities. Shubha Lakshana Sampannam. Divyabharana Bhushitam. Again, the problem is, don't think that just because these adjectives were used, don't think it was a horrifying form or anything. It is a beautiful, divine, pleasing, good qualities kind of a form it is. So Divyabharana Bhushitam, with all divine decorations, divine jewelry, Abharana Bhushitam, Shaila Shringa Samutsedham, one which is as tall, Utsedha is Unnata, as Shaila Shringam, the peak of a mountain, that tall form has emanated. And Drupta Shardula Vikraham, Drupta is Darpitaha, a very arrogant, winning tiger, Vikrama, Shardula, Drupta Shardula Vikraham. Once a tiger kills, probably what is it called? A yaks or a big bull or an elephant. Joe, that arrogance or that winning, what do you call, winning toxin that it has, with that kind of a very confident personality. Shailashringa Samutsedham, Drupta Shardula Vikramam, Divakara Samakaram, Akaram, in the shape of Divakara. Divam Karoti, Divakara. One who gives us day is Divakara, who is sun. So Divakara Samakaram, one who is in similar shape like sun. That means that bright, that big. Sun is the biggest star, right? So Divakara Samakaram Deeptanala Shikhopamam. Shikha. Shikha is the top, the peak. And that is why this is also called Shikha. So Shikha is the peak of Anala. Anala is fire. Deepta Anala. One which is very, not a subsided fire, very active fire. Where when the fire is very active, it reaches top heights. So, and the peak of it, which is very, that yellowish, orange, almost colorless. We cannot identify the color. We cannot say this specific color. So that Deepta Shikhan, Deeptanala Shikhopamam, Upama, like simile. So like the peak of the active fire, he is. Tapta Jambu Nadamayim. Also, Tapta, burning. Jambu Nada, Swarna, gold. So like the gold which is being, put on fire, how does it glow? If we see, right, when they make, even metal, any metal, when they are put on fire, it will be glowing like radiant color. So, Tapta Jambu Nadamayim, as if gold is put on fire, whatever that radiance that might appear of that color. Rajatanta Parichadam. At the same time, one which is which has a Parichada. Parichada is Achadanam. Achadanam is the top, roof, cover on the top. So as if there is a lid, as if there is a cover on the top. Rajatanta Parichadam. One which is glowing with something lid on the top. Rajatanta Parichadam Divya Payasa Sampurnam. So what was he holding? He was holding a Tapta Jambu Nadamayim, a golden one which is a radiating golden with a lid on it, with a top, with a covered lid on it. Divya Payasa Sampurnam, filled with, full of, Sampurna, full of Divya Payasa, divine, payasam, the divine liquid in it, or divine, what do we call it? A fluid material in it, a fluid material, or Divya Payasam, Divya Payasa Sampurnam, Patrim, Patra, a vessel. So a golden, a glowing, radiating golden vessel covered with silver plate on it and full of Divya Payasa, such a vessel holding. How is he holding it? Patni miva priyam, as if a beloved wife, just like you would, hug and hold a beloved wife. So also with all love he is holding it. That person who appeared, or that thing that appeared, he was holding this. Patni miva priyam, also Maya Mayim iva. And what kind of a wife? Maya Mayi, one who does Maya, which means she keeps teasing you, one who is a very playful. Maya Mayim iva, Patnim iva, Priyam, Patrim, Pragrihya, by holding it. Granahati is holds, Pragrihya, by holding it properly. And what kind of it is? Vipulam. Very, it's a big one, it's not a small one. Vipula is abundant. So a big abundant vessel. So he is holding a big vessel containing this payasam with lot of love to offer it to Dasharatha. Samaveksha Bravid Vakyam.
Samaveksha Bravid Vakyam.
Idam Dasharatham Rupam.
Idam Dasharatham Rupam.
Prajapatyam Naram Vidhi.
Prajapatyam Naram Vidhi.
Mamihabhyagatam Rupa.
Mamihabhyagatam Rupa.
So that person who is holding it and all, and with all those adjectives that we have narrated about him, described about him, Saha Samaveksha, Samyak Aveksha means having seen Dasharatha, all the rishis and all properly, and having identified who is Dasharatha in it properly, samavekshya, samyak avekshya, idam vakyam abravit Dasharatham Nrupam. He said unto Dasharath, unto the king Dasharatha, he said this sentence. What did he say? Nrupa, O king, iha abhyagatam mam, iha means here, abhyagatam having come, mam me, prajapatyam naram vidhi, no, vidhi is no, Veda mam vidhi, Janakatmajam, it comes much later in Aranyakanda, super shloka by Kausalya. Vidhi means no, jano, janlo, please know, please, hey king, please know me, mam, know me, one who have come here, me, know me, as Prajapatyam Naram, as a man of Prajapati. Prajapati is what essentially the pati of Prajas. Praja, who are Praja? We have heard Praja several times, right? Praja are children. Prakrishtena jataha prajaha. When who are born, those children, jaha are children. When those who are prakrishta jaha, very beloved children, essentially, or prajaha. So prajapatihi, one who is the palanam karoti yaha sahapatihi. So prajana, one who is protecting all these children, he is prajapatihi. Now, not just human children, human being children, all beings. So prajapati is that who is the protector, nourisher, expander, transformer of all these beings is Prajapati. Of his Prajapatyam Naram Mam Vidhi. Prajapati, Prajapati. Dasharatha, Dasharathi. Right? Of Dasharathas is Dasharathi. Likewise, of Prajapati is Prajapati. So Prajapatyaha Naraha. I am a representative, or I am a man, or I am a messenger of Prajapati. The Prajapati Sakshat sent me, essentially. Please identify me, recognize me as, Prajapati, as one of Prajapati. Tatah param tada raja.
Tatah param tada raja.
Pratyuvacha kritanjalihi.
Pratyuvacha kritanjalihi.
Bhagavan swagatam testu.
Bhagavan swagatam testu.
Kimaham karavani te.
Kimaham karvani te.
So tataha, after that, after this Prajapati Nara identified himself with all this Divya Bhushana and all, then Dasharatha, Raja Dasharatha, tatah param, after that, tadanantaram, kritanjalihi, anjalihi kritaha, means with the hands in a very anjali form. Pratyuvacha, he replied, Bhagavan, O God, O godly figure, Bhagavan, swagatam te astu, welcome to you. Swagatam te astu. We say, right? Sushachate, Sudinanchate, Namahate, swagatam te, to you, swagatam to you, astu, may welcome be there for you. Kim aham karavani te, kim aham karavani, what may I do for you? I mean, when somebody appears, you know what to do, but still it is out of that respect and out of that cultural benevolence that we say, hey, what may I do for you? Kimaham karavani te, atho punaridam vakyam.
Ato punaridam vakyam.
Prajapatyo naro bravit.
Prajapatyo naro bravit.
Rajan archayata devan.
Rajan archayat devan.
Archayata devan.
Archayata devan.
Adya praptamidam tvaya.
Adya praptamidam tvaya.
So, atha, now, or thus, punaha idam vakyam prajapatyah naraha abravit. Prajapatiyehe, Naraha Prajapatyah Naraha. That Prajapatya's representative. Idam Vakyam Punaha Abravit. He again said the next sentence, means he again replied. What did he say, Rajan? Oh, Raja. Tvaya Praptam Idam. Tvaya Archayata Praptam Idam Devan Adya Praptam. So, this, I came here. I appeared here, or you obtained me. One, you obtained me, you who have been Devan Archayata, one who has been worshipping gods. By you, I am obtained here. Tvaya Devan Archayata Idam Praptam. You obtained this, you got me, or you got it. What is it? Idam tu Narashardula. Idam tu Narashardula.
Idam tu Narashardula.
Payasam Deva Nirmitam.
Payasam Deva Nirmitam.
Prajakaram Grihanatvam.
Prajakaram Gruhanatvam.
Dhanyam Arogyavardhanam.
Dhanyam Arogyavardhanam.
So he's saying, what is it, Idam Praptam? What did you get? What did you get now? Idam tu, this one is Narashardula, O tiger of all men. That means, O king. Idam tu Devanirmitam Payasam. This Payasam is Devanirmitam, is composed or is built, or what do you call it? Ajayji would know these pharmaceutical things. This is formulated. This is formulated by the divine gods. This payasam is formulated by the gods. And what kind of a payasam is it? Prajakaram. One which prajam karoti, one which gives you children, is prajakaram. So prajakaram grihanatvam. May you take it. Grihana, please take it. Grihanatvam. Dhanyam Arogyavardhanam. It is not only of just giving children, but it is Dhanyam. It is blessed one. And Arogyavardhanam, one which is a multivitamin also, gives you all the nutrients. Arogyavardhanam, Dhanyam, Prajakaram, Devanirmitam, Payasam, Idam, Narashardula, Tvam Grihana. That is the sentence here. Bharyanam
Bharyanam
Ashniteti Prayachavai.
Ashniteti Prayachavai.
Tasutvam Lapsyase Putran.
Tasutvam Lapsyase Putran.
Yadartham Yajase Nrupa.
Yadartham Yajase Nrupa.
So, Yadar Nrupa, O king, Yadartham Yajase, for what purpose you are doing this yajna, for whatever purpose you are doing this yajna, Tvam, you, Putran Lapsyase, you shall, in the future tense, you shall obtain children, in whom Bharyan Tasu, in them, in whom Bharyanam Anurupanam Ashniteti Prayacha. Please take it and give it to Prayacha, Prayachat, Prabhu Venkatesha, right? Prayacha is give. So you give it to whom? Bharyanam Anurupanam, to your wives who are Anurupaha. Their beauty, their form is always following you. Their beauty appears in you. That kind of Bharyanam Anurupanam Ashnite. May they give it to them so they, have it, so they can have it, so they consume it, so they take it. In them, Tasu, in them, Tvam Putran Lapsyase. And what kind of Putran? Yadartham Yajase Nrupa, for whose sake you are doing this yajna. Tatheti Nrupati Prita.
Tatheti Nrupati Prita.
Shirasa Pratigrihyatam.
Shirasa Pratigrihyatam.
Patrim Patrim Devanna Sampurnam
Patrim Devanna Sampurnam
Devadattam Hiranmayim.
Devadattam Hiranmayim
Devannam. Devanna. So, Tatha. Okay. Tatha iti. Nrupatihi, the king. Pritaha. Very pleased. Oh, good. Finally, my yajna is fulfilled. Not only did the divine form appear, not only did it talk to me, it is finally offering me whatever I exactly was wanting. So, Pritaha. So, he is pleased. Pleased king. Shirasa pratigrihya. With the head having received it. What does it mean? How do you receive it with your head? Which means essentially you bow, touch it, touch your head to that patra and take it with all respect, with all humbleness, humility. That is Shirasa pratigrihya. By grihana, please take it. Pratigrihya, having taken it. Uchuhu, he said. Pratyuchuhu, he replied. So prati is towards or in reply or against. It can depend on that occasion. Prati takes different meanings. So pratigrihya, having received it with Shirasa, what did he receive? Tam patrim, that patra, that vessel, having taken it. Devanna sampurnam. Anna. Annam is a food material. Deva anna, divine food, divine matter, divine formula in it, or divine solution, or whatever, right? Which is also said Deva Nirmitam Payasam, which was said before also. So Devanna Sampurnam, Deva Dattam, given by the god, Hiranmayim, in the golden Hiranmaya, in the golden form, in the golden color, in the golden vessel. So the golden vessel containing the divine food given by the divine personality, he has received it with the bent head, or with the obedience of the through respect. Abhivadya cha tadbhutam.
Abhivadya cha tadbhutam.
Adbhutam priyadarshanam.
Adbhutam priyadarshanam.
Muda paramaya yuktah.
Muda paramaya yuktah.
Chakarabhipradakshinam.
Chakarabhipradakshinam.
So, Abhivadya. So, this is another important shloka for us, which is to remember our culture. Abhivadya cha. Abhivadanam kritva. Abhivadanam is traditional Abhivadanam is where you read your entire pravara. You identify yourself by saying, I belong to this Apastamba Sutra and whatever is Pravara Gotra. Pravara we say at least Trayarsha, or Ekarshi, or Pancharashi, Saptarashi. From whichever that lineage we come from, we identify. I'm Bhoga Pappu from Telangana, 20 years Swain Sevak. All of that, and then we say Namaste to you. So that is Abhivadanam. So Tata Abhivadya cha, by doing that Abhivadanam, Tad Adbhutam Tadbhutam Priyadarshanam. That pleasing darshanam, that Priyadarshanam, pleasingly appearing, Adbhutam, amazing, Tadbhutam, that being, unto that being which is Adbhutam, and also amazing unto such personality, having offered the Namaskara, Abhivadanam, Paramaya Muda, with a lot of Muda, delight and joy, Yuktaha, one who is in unison with that delight. Aha, how blessed I am. So, immersed in that joy, Chakara, he did. Chakara is Kritavan, past tense. He did Abhipradakshinam. And this Pradakshinam keeps coming in Ramayanam several times. Remember it. So first time we heard Pradakshinam, Chakara Pradakshinam in 116:22. Rama does Pradakshinam to Rishi. Lakshmana does Pradakshinam to Rama. They do Pradakshinam to the Ratha. They do Pradakshinam to the tree. Everywhere, before you leave, you do a Pradakshina and then leave. And so, Dorbala Prabhakar Sharma, who is our Sanskrit Bharati's Rishi, and also Nagar Sangachalak of Kovur Nagara, who lives to enliven Sanskritam. So I saw him once when he was in our home, when he came here Pravasa for 10 days, he was in our home here. Every time I ask him to sit, normally when we have to sit in the right side of the car, when you are going towards the car, we would directly go open the door and sit. But that is to the right. So to do Pradakshinam, you have to go around the left and come to it. So he would always, whether he's sitting in the car or when he gets out of the car, he will go, does a Pradakshina. So from his left side, with his right shoulder facing the car, he would go around the car and then enter the house. Or when he's entering the car, he would come facing the right side, turn around the car, and then open the right door and sit in it. Couple of times I saw, why is he taking pain to go around? He could directly have said. I asked him. Then he said, Pradakshanam Gratva. Oh. And then whenever I read for Ramayanam, oh, okay, that is, he's living whatever he's reading. He's living whatever he has learned. So he's a living Rishi for us. Great personality. Dorbala Prabhakar Sharma. So, Chakara Abhipradakshinam. So he did Pradakshina unto that divine Adbhutam Predarshanam Tadbhutam Abhivadya Paramaya Muda Yuktaha Chakara Abhipradakshinam. He did Pradakshinam to that divine form. Tato Dasharatah Prapya Payasam Deva Nirmitam Babhuva Parama Pritaha Prapya Vittam Iva Dhanaha. I was slightly, for a moment when I read it, even I chuckled. Then I thought, and hence Ramayanam is relevant as promised, as certified by Brahma in the very 3rd chapter. Yavat sthasyanti girayaha salilascha mahitale tavat Ramayana gatha pracharishyati trilokeshucha. He says, he gave that certification, right? That Ramayanam will, as long as mountains and rivers, mountains are up, rivers are flowing, Ramayanam will live in the worlds, in all the worlds. He gave the certification. Why? Because it is relevant. Every word is relevant even today. So what did he say? Tataha Devanirmitam Payasam Prapya Dasharathaha Vittam Adhanaha Iva Paramapritaha Babhuva. Adhanaha, Nirdhanaha, one who is a poor guy, one who is in poverty, if he gets dhana, what is the delight in him? Such, that is the simile given here. Iva means like a poor guy, in poverty, when he gets wealth, vittam, vitta. See, there is a common word there. So, vittam prapya adhanaha iva Devanirmitam Payasam Prapya Dasharathaha Paramapritaha Babhuva. So the comparison of a poor guy becoming happy when he receives money is relevant even today, right? Oh, if we get a bonus, wow, we are happy. So such a relevant example, such a relevant simile, relevant forever. That is what I got delighted. Ahamapi Paramapritaha Babhuva. So Dasharatha, by receiving that payasam, Devanirmitam payasam, he got so pleased, so delighted, like a poor guy gets delighted when he receives wealth. That is the simile there. Super. Tatas tadadbhuta prakhyam bhutam paramabhaswaram samvartayitva tatkarma tatraiva antaradhiyata. Tat tataha, after that delight, tad adbhuta prakhyam, that divine form which appeared and all, right? Paramabhaswaram, bhaswara is light. Paramabhaswara, ultimate glowing light form. Samvartayitva tat karma, having done that karma, having vartayitva means samapya, having completed that work, that karma. Tatraiva antaradhiyata, having completed his task of offering this payasam unto Dasharatha, that divine Paramabhaswaram Adbhuta Prakhyam Bhutam Tatraiva Antaradhiyata, it disappeared. It also, just as it appeared, it also disappeared, having completed the task of offering that divine formulated material or food unto Dasharatha in order for him to have children. Harsha Rashmi Bhirudyotam,
Harsharad Rashmi Bhirudyotam, Udyotam,
Tasyantah Purama Babhau,
Tasyantapurama Babhau,
Sharadasya
Sharadasya
Chandrasyeva Nabhom Shubhihi.
Chandrasyeva Nabhum Shubhihi.
So Harsha Rashmi Bhihi Udyotam. So his Rashmi is Harsha Krita Kanti Bhi. Rashmi is light, right? Rashmi is the rays or the light rays. Harsha, with the delight light. The very delight, if you see, the word delight has light in it, right? So Harsha Rashmi also is, that delighted glow. Harsha Rashmi Vihi Udyotam, one which is glowing. Dyota, Vidyut, we said, right? And that lightens. So enlightened with delight light. How is this phrase now? Enlightened with delight light, with delighted light. Harsha is delighted, Rashmi is light, Udyotam, enlightened. Lightening with delighted light. Tasya Antahpuram Ababhau. He went into Antahpura, into his quarters home from the Yajnashala. Ababhau. He has reached there as light, as if light is moving. Ababhau. How is that light? Sharadasya Abhiramasya Chandrasya Nabhaha Yatha Tatha. Nabhaha is sky. Amshubhihi, by the rays of Chandrasya. What kind of Chandra? Sharadasya, Sharadkala Chandra. Sharadkala Chandra is supposed to be the most beautiful, pleasing. Sharad Chandra, that is why the name also, right? Sharad Chandra, the Kavi of Bengal, or even Telugu, one of the Kavi, by inspiration, he took Sharad Chandra's name. So Sharad Chandra is a very pleasing, the most beautiful form of moon throughout the year. Of the entire year, Sharad Chandra is the most beautiful one. So like that Sharad Chandrasya, Abhiramasya, first time we heard Rama, but anyway, but here Abhirama is one who is pleasing. Rama's very name is pleaser. He pleases people. So Abhiramasya, just as the pleasing Sharatkala Chandra is lightening the sky by his rays, by Amshubhihi, so also Udyotam Harsharashmibhihi Tasya Antahpuram Ababhau. So again, see the beauty of the similes. Right? In the last time we saw a beautiful simile of just as a poor guy gets delighted when he finds wealth. So also here the simile is just like that Sharat Chandra with his rays brightens the sky, giving all that pleasing, happy, romantic, beautiful moods. So also Dasharatha walked into his Antahpuram with all that light because of delighted light. Harsha Rashmi Virudyotam. So also that is the beauty there. I'm stressing these words again and again because you should love and appreciate that poetry, Sanskritam based poetry. So I'm repeating those words over and over so that maybe it will stay, a few words will stay lingering in our mind as in memory. Somtaf Puram. So I know it is 8:33, but we have another 7 shlokas or 8 shlokas, I think. Let us complete this sarga so that next Saturday, Saptami, we'll complete 17th sarga. So that on Navami, we'll get into 18th sarga. Again, next Saturday, 17th sarga, very, very important sarga. We will study how many species are there and how the design of who takes which species, who takes which specific, who goes as whose son, who goes as whose son, who all groups go as which species. The whole design of before Vishnu is born as Rama, all of them are sent. Okay, you go this, you take this, you become gorillas, you become apes, you become monkeys, you become baboons, you become orangutans. All of that design is already laid out in the 17th sarga, so which we'll do next Saturday. So make sure all of you are there. I'm just giving you a once in a while, if you are watching a movie also, right, in between upcoming जबरदस्त ऐसा हमारा ईटीवी में दिखाते हैं ऐसा वैसे. So सोन्तः पुरं प्रविश्यैव
प्रविश्यैव
कौसल्यामिदमब्रवीत्
कौसल्यामिदमब्रवीत्
पायसं प्रतिगृह्णीष्व
गृह्णीष्व
पुत्रीयं त्विदमात्मनः. See, we write grihna, but pronunciation grinha, and there is a reason for it, of a phonetic reason, that an anunasika cannot stand up by its own, so it needs a support of a vyanjana or a swara after that. So grihna cannot be pronounced, it has to be grinha. So saha antahpuram pravishya, having entered the antahpura, pravishya eva, immediately Kausalyam, unto Kausalya idam abravit, he said this, payasam pratigrihnishva, please receive this payasam, putriyam, to payasam, this payasam, which is what, which is special, putriyam, one which gives children, idam atmanaha, mama atmanaha, of me children will be born. So, please have this, Kausalya, he's saying. Kausalyayai narapatihi.
कौसल्यायै नरपतिः
Payasardham dadau tada.
पायसार्धं ददौ तदा
Ardhadardham dadau chapi.
अर्धादर्धं ददौ चापि
Sumitrayai naradhipaha.
सुमित्रायै नराधिपः
Kaikeyai cha vasishtardham.
कैकेय्यै चावशिष्टार्धं
Dadau putrarthakaranat.
ददौ पुत्रार्थकारणात्
Pradadau cha vasishtardham.
प्रददौ चावशिष्टार्धं
Payasasyamrutopamam.
पायसस्यामृतोपमम्
Anuchintya sumitrayai.
अनुचिन्त्य सुमित्रायै
Punareva mahipatihi.
पुनरेव महीपतिः
Evam tasam dadau raja.
एवं तासां ददौ राजा
Bharyanam payasam prathak.
भार्याणां पायसं पृथक्.
So you also got to read 3 shlokas. Good. So Kausalyayai. So he said that, and Kausalyayai narapatihi payasardham dadau tada. So he got a vessel. Let us say whatever it is, 1 gallon or one, I don't know, maybe 16 ounce, whatever. Let's say whatever the X volume of the payasam he got. So Narapatihi Kausalyayai payasa ardham dadau tada. Then he gave, that king gave to Kausalya payasa ardham. He gave half of it to Kausalya. Ardhat ardham dadau chapi Sumitrayai Naradhipaha. The Naradhipaha then Sumitrayai, to Sumitra, ardhat ardham, of the remaining half he gave to Kausalya, of the remaining half of it, which means a quarter. Ardhat ardham dadau chapi Sumitrayai Naradhipaha. So he gave to Sumitra a quarter of it, remaining quarter, half of the remaining half. Kaikeyai cha avasishtardham. The remaining half, Kaikeyai dadau putra karanat. But then he thought, pradadau cha avasishtartham payasamrita sopamam. So of the avasishta, of the balance, so half was given to Kausalya. Of the remaining half was given to Sumitra. Of the remaining half, he was about to give to he wanted to give to Kaikeyi. Avasishta ardham dadau putrartha karanat. But anuchintya, somehow he thought, somehow it occurred to him, it flashed to him. So of that remaining half, which is 1/4 of the remaining quarter, he gave half to Kaikeyi and he brought half back to Sumitra. Sumitrayai punareva mahipatihi. So Kaikeyai cha avasishtardham dadau putrartha karanat. Pradadau cha avasishtartham payasamrutopamam anuchintya Sumitrayai punareva mahipatihi. So he gave half to Kausalya, of the remaining half, another half to Sumitra, which is a quarter. And of the remaining quarter, he was about to give that to Kaikeyi, but somehow, we do not know why it occurred to him. So he only gave a half of it. So that means a 1/8 of it to Kaikeyi, and he gave back another 1/8 to Sumitra. That is the description here. Now, if you see, this whole slide is all bhashyam, big bhashyam by all the bhashyakaras. And if I read this will go half an hour, but I'll quickly summarize because we are already running late and we have to catch up. So what they say is, if you go by these, so there are several different Pravachanakartas make different, not different, there are two major schools of thought. One who go by this mathematics, half Rama, quarter is Lakshmana, 1/8 is Bharata, 1/8 is Shatrughna. That is the mathematical numbers that we see, right, from this proportion. And so that is why even ISKCON goes by that. ISKCON, so for them Krishna is ultimate, but Rama is only half, right? Also from Shodasha Kalaha, they say Krishna is a Sampurna Avatara, so Shodasha Kalaha, Rama lacked 2 of them. Rama was emotional, Rama is very formal. Rama is very formal. Niti, always for him, he goes by policy, by rules. He's very, very formal. So with these 2 exceptions, they say he's not a Sampurna Avatar. Whereas Krishna is very joyful, playful. Even with villains also, he'll play and please them. Unse bhi mazak karke, he'll please them. So that is of course, that is how Krishna is. ISKCON takes advantage of that to praise him as the complete avatar. But because of that, so that's one example of how there are 2 schools of thought. So this second school of thought people, they also go by these proportions and they say, oh, Rama is only half of it now, of Vishnu. And a quarter is only Lakshmana. 1/8 is Bharata, 1/8 is Shatrughna. So Rama is not full Vishnu. He's only quarter, and they're split and all right. But then we go back to this third sloka where I said Avyayam. That's why I said, right? He's Avyaya. He's already, the clue is already given in the beginning. He's Avyaya. Even if you, from infinite Purnat, Purna Mudachyate, we say, right? Even if you take full out of full, it will still be full remaining. What nonsense are we talking? If we go by these quarters, he's only half No. You take what half, not only half, you take complete out of the complete Vishnu, he will still be complete. Right? That is what we say. Purnat Purnam. Purnamadaha Purnamidam. Purnat Purnamudachyate. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avasishyate. Even if you take Purna out of the Purna, remaining is also Purna, infinity. So for infinity, there is no more proportions of divisions. That is the school of thought. The other school of thought, Vedantic school of thought, where they say, hey, come on, there is nothing like that. He is complete, no matter what. Moreover, there is also another thing they say, right? So Vishnu, when he finally takes the form, he goes as Rama, and his Adisesha comes as Lakshmana, and that is why Lakshmana is always fearful. They say, hey, Mardalanga. He even fights with his father. What father are you? I'm going to kill you. I will, in fact, you will read when we read Ayodhya Kanda. There will be one sarga where Lakshmana will be so fearful, like a Hindi supporting hero character. What dalunga aapko? Aisa bolke, what? You snatch away from my Rama? I'll kill you. You are now more eligible to be king. I'll coup. He will say that kind of fierce, anger Lakshmana has, and hence they say he's Adishesha Avatara. He's like a snake. Puss, puss karta hai. Hissing Lakshmana. And Shankachakra are, Bharata and Shatrughna, they say. So each of them are full of, each of them is Vishnu. So that is what is being described in all this bhashya here. So let us also believe that there is no proportions. Purnasya, let us remember immediately when anybody talks about these proportions, say that Purnasya Purnamavadaya Purnameva Avasishyate. So don't worry. So that is that shloka there. Tastve vatat payasam prapya
Tatve tattva payasam prapya.
Tastve vatat
payasam
prapya
prapya.
Narendrasyottama striyah.
Narendrastayottamah striya.
Narendrasya
Tama
Tamastriyah
striyaha.
Sammanam menire sarvaha
Amman vinere sarva.
Praharshodita chetasah
Harshodita chetasaha.
Taha Striyaha Taha Narendrasya Uttamaha Striyaha. Those great women of that Narendra king Dasharatha, etat payasam prapya, having received this payasam, sarvaha sammanam menire, they samman hua, as if they are felicitated, as if they are glorified. Menire, they felt, अपने आप को माना, अपने आप को सम्मानित माना है ये पायसम दशरथ जी से लेके. प्रहर्ष उदित चेतसः बहुवचनम चेतसः. So all of them were they were conscious with praharsha udita. Their conscious got emanated with praharsha, with enormous delight, because they felt they were felicitated with this payasam that was Devanirmitam payasam that was offered by Narendra Dasharatha. Now the last two are in different chandas. Tatastuta prashya
Tatastutav prashya
taduttamastriyo
taduttamastriyo
mahipateruttama
mahipateruttama
payasam prathak
payasam prithak
hutashanaditya
hutashanaditya
samana tejaso
samana tejaso
chirena garbhan pratipedire tada. So actually with the way we should split, because we have split Hutashanaditya samana tejasah, Achiren garbhan pratipedire tada. That is how we should have split it. Fine. So tataha, to, and then taha, all of those women, the wives, tad uttamam prasya, having prasya, prashanam kratva, ashanam kratva, prasya, having consumed it, having had that prayasam, mahipatehe uttama payasam prathak, each one of them separately, as Dasharatha distributed it separately to them, each one of them having had it separately. Hutashanaditya samana tejasaha. Hutashana is Huta is offering. Ashanam takes. So Hutashana is who? Unto gods who takes the offerings is Hutashana. He is the Huta. He is taking the Hutas. Ashanam. Ashanam is consumes, takes. He is eating the offerings and taking it for gods. He is a Hutashana. So Agni. Hutashana Aditya. Aditya is sun. Aditya, his son, is Aditya. The first son, so he is Aditya. Hutashana Aditya Samana Tejasaha. So he is one. They are like glowing, like sun, like fire. That so much jubilance came. And normally we say, right, when women also, when they are pregnant, when they become pregnant, and during the pregnancy, they get much better color, they get much beauty, and they look much more beautiful, more happy, and all of that, right? So that is being described here through this adjectives of Hutashana Aditya Samana Tejasaha Achirena Garbhan Pratipedire. So Achirena, Chiram is long. Achiram, not long, means shortly. Immediately, shortly after consuming that, Garbhan Pratipedire, Pratipadanam, they all got pregnant. Tada, they all became pregnant. Tatastu Raja Prativikshata Striya Pragudha Garbha Pratilabdhamanasaha Babhuva Hrishtaha Tridive Yatha Harihi.
Sorry, Bhugaji.
Tridive Yatha Harihi
Tridive Yatha Hari
Surendra Siddharshi Ganabhipujitaha
Gada
Ganabhipujitaha Tataha, after that, after they became pregnant, Tatastu Raja Prativiksha, by looking at them, he is only, now job is, he keeps looking at three of them. Aha. Oh, very soon. Oh, first month, now second month, third month, fourth month, waiting. So Prativiksha, by looking at them, by looking towards them, Taha Striyaha, who are Prarudha Garbhaha, Arudha is having climbed or having going on top of. So Prarudha Garbhaha, ones who are with Garbha. So that means when those pregnant women. Pratilabdhamanasaha. So he, Prarudha Garbhaha, means the Raja Dasharatha is now Prarudha Garbha. Because he feels he's on top of those three pregnant wives. And so Pratilabdhamanasaha, having Prati, towards him, gotten his Manasaha Pratilabdha, having fulfilled heart. With a fulfilled heart, Babhuva Hrishtaha, became hearty. Yatha, just as Tridevaha is Tridashaha Yesham Te Tridashaha. Tridive, in the Tridiva, that is in the gods world, that is in the Svargaloka. Yatha Tridive Harihi Surendraha Siddharshi Ganabhi Pujitaha. Just as Hari is always, if you see Vishnu's pose, he is always pleasing, right? He is always happy. Why? Because he is always Abhipujitaha, he is always worshipped by Siddha, Rishi, Surendra, Ganaihi Abhipujitaha, by all Siddhas, Rishis, Deva, Surendra, also by Indra, also he is worshipped. And so he is so pleasant and happy, fulfilled always. So also, by looking at these three wives of Dasharatha, he is constantly, by looking at them, he is also so heartily happy. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane
Srimad Ramayane
Valmikiye
Valmikiye
Adi Kavye
Adi Kavye
Balakande
Balakande
Shodasha Sargah.
Shodasa Sargah.
So copy paste problem, right? Panchadasha it says. Shodasha Sargah.
Shodasa Sargah.
Anyone says Shanti Mantra, will complete. Lena?
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.